Hello, this is Aaron Shoemaker. I'm here today to talk with you about our integrated scorecard goals for the system. Today we have Brad McNabb with us. He is the Chief Operating Officer for the St. Vincent Medical Group and my dyad in leadership, and it's a pleasure to work with him. I wanted to start off by talking to you about our first goal, which is a clinical goal in mammogram rate. The goal was set by Ascension Health for us to have at least 61% of our patients have a mammogram within 2 years for the patient population of 50 to 74. Our original rate was 49%, and over the course of this year, we've been able to raise that rate up to 65% at this time. That's been done through a lot of hard work through all of our providers across the state, and I'd like to mention specifically that every person within that group will either have had their chart scrubbed to find their result, and anybody who hasn't had one will have had a phone call and been scheduled. So we're not only showing an improvement in our rate within Athena, but we're really improving the healthcare of the people we serve and hopefully saving lives in the process. So the mammogram goal we're doing very well with. We thank you for your support with that, and we ask you to keep pushing on that over the next month so we stay successful. The other goal is for growth. And Brad, would you like to talk to us about the growth goal?
Sure, thanks Aaron. The growth goal is the other major goal that Ascension has set for us, and it's set at 3%, and it is based on an algorithm that includes unique patients seen. So we had a baseline of 320,000. We were given a goal of growing that by about 3%. Which is about 10,000 lives, and I'm really pleased that as we come into this last 2 months, we're right on track with hitting that target. We need to keep pushing through the end of the year. That a couple of initiatives that we've put together to drive that over the last 6 to 8 months. Most of you are aware of the access referral grids. These are the grids that we distribute fairly widely that tell when you're available to see patients, how long it takes to get patients in. That's been a great success. We've distributed those fairly widely. We've also done some call campaigns lately to try to get patients back in. This is based on a 12-month rolling average, so if patients are going to fall off of that grid, then we're going to call them and have them try to come back into the office to be seen. And then I think our success with recruiting primary care physicians has definitely helped us in this growth initiative.
Why do you think these specific goals are important this year?
Well, the both goals really drive towards the quadruple aim. As we look at population health, we know that we're going to be more successful if we have more lives under care. So we're competing with all of the other systems to bring more lives under our care, and that includes the cost of caring for those individuals, but more importantly, the quality of care that we provide. So you can see how both growth and a quality initiative like mammography would work in that population health world.
Thanks, Brad. I know we plan to keep tracking that growth goal even beyond this fiscal year. And from the mammogram perspective, I can tell you we're very excited to actually deliver for the first time on a metric throughout the whole system on a quality measure. So it's exciting and that we can actually have that capability at this point. So we hope you understand what the goals are to have our mammogram rate exceed 61% and to achieve 3% growth or 10,000 individual lives for the medical group this year. And we ask you to do everything you can over the next month to make sure we stay moving in a positive way towards those goals. Thank you.